Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to update Ultrahuman ring. So okay, now we are in Ultrahuman app. What you are going to do is head over here to the top left corner where you see this gray icon. If you have connected the ring, you will see green. Now what you need to do, scroll down a little bit under the ring information, you will see firmware version. And below that you will see check for updates. So click on that. And here, if you see it that you don't have installed the latest version, you will see button where you can check for an update, and if it's available it will automatically start updating your Ultrahuman ring. And yeah, this is pretty much everything that you need to know about that. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.